Hi there, it's Andy here from Brown Dog Gadgets. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at our day 5 of week 2 circuit. That's our street light circuit, and in order to correctly complete it we're going to need to gather the following parts: 2 female headers, an LED, our battery holder, photoresistor, and the correct resistor. As with all of our circuits, we'll first need to create some pathways made out of conductive maker tape laid atop our green Lego base plate. With the pathways correctly laid out, they should look like this. With the correct pathways laid out, the parts that we had gathered before should fit nicely within the gaps created in the pathway system to look like this. Some things to note about the correct assembly of parts and arrangement of them in this circuit are, of course, to first make sure that the pathway leading from the white corner of our battery holder first connects to the white striped side of our LED chip. Our 2 female headers will have a photoresistor and our resistor inserted in them. Make sure that for your photoresistor, one of the wires is inserted into the center hole, while the remaining one in the hole that leads to the remaining female header. For our resistor, again, make sure that one of the wires is inserted into the center hole, while the other is inserted into the hole leading to the pathway, including the blue LED chip. With the circuit in operation, what you should see is the LED not lit. However, if we block some of the light from our photoresistor with a pen cap, we should see that the LED becomes lit. Take it away again, and it turns off again. That's it for today's circuit. For a more detailed look at our curriculum, visit browndoggadgets.com.